Fairfax County voters need to know we have an election day coming up on June 11th. The Democratic primaries for Lieutenant Governor and Attorney General statewide, along with the House of Delegates seat 86, have primary elections, and all registered voters are welcome to come vote. To vote on Election Day, you show up at your normal polling place, and we're open from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m., just as we always are. There are two ways to vote if you need to vote in advance of Election Day. One is to vote by mail. The deadline for that is very close. That's Tuesday, the 4th of June at 5 o'clock. We have to have received the application for an absentee ballot by that point, or they will not be able to vote by mail. In-person absentee voting will continue through Saturday, June 8th at 5 o'clock. One of the things people may want to keep in mind is that Saturday, June 8th is part of Celebrate Fairfax. And if they want to avoid all the fun and confusion, they may want to try and make sure they vote during the week. But if they want to vote on Saturday, June 8th, and that's the only chance they have, we will have accommodations. They need to go to the Green Gate and tell them they're here for absentee voting, and we will direct them through to some parking spots where they can go in to vote and leave. We always need more election officers, and I would certainly encourage anyone who has thoughts of maybe serving the county and hasn't figured out yet what they want to do and just has one extra day and a little bit of time for training, we would be delighted to have them serve this June and this November. We always have more needs for election officers. For more information, they can always call the office, 703-222-0776. And even if we're not here, we now have a 24-hour service where they can put in their Social Security number and determine whether or not they're registered and at which address, so that they can correct it if it's incorrect. We look forward to seeing all of our voters on June 11th between 6 a.m. and 7 p.m. Don't forget to vote.